We were able to reach our 10 million revenue mark from 3 million revenue per year just in 12 months with their help. Hi, my name is Camille and I am the head of sales here at Crease Group. Crease Group is an apparel manufacturing business with $3 million of revenue per year and almost 15 employees. We have lots of moving parts like managing orders, managing manufacturers, managing suppliers, tracking shipments back and forth from the US to China. We were doing everything manually via spreadsheets since we were a startup, and also we didn't have a proper CRM. All of our leads were coming via email, which was unmanageable. Scaling seemed something unimaginable with the current state of operations. Since we wanted to scale our business, we hired Camel Tech to systemize and automate our entire process before we could scale it. They implemented their scale framework for us. They mapped our workflow, created documentation, and implemented EOS for the management. They shaped our strategy and operations at the same time, which was incredible. They built an automated and robust CRM. They created a project system for us from scratch, and the whole team is automated and integrated with our Shopify, website, email, and booking. Now our entire operation is super streamlined, automated, and everybody is aligned with strategy and vision. As a team lead, I am so relaxed ever knowing that nothing is slipping through the cracks or nothing is being unnoticed. We were able to reach our 10 million revenue mark from 3 million revenue per year just in 12 months with their help. The system saves a lot of time and stress, and the best part is if anything ever goes wrong, they jump and help us fix that. What we love most about Camel Tech is that their speed and execution, and obviously their team's expertise on processing optimization. They're also super professional and incredibly friendly. We already referred Camel Tech to a few of our friends and will definitely recommend them to any business that needs to scale and systemize their business. Thank you.